Now having to deal with this is not my sanctuary any longer.
Take a minute to look at this. Imagine this is inside your home almost every time it rains. For nearly 1 year, one Richland County homeowner has been dealing with this because of the paused construction project next door and the runoff.
Her home in the Creekside neighborhood is only separated from Richland One's Early Learning Center construction project by a small easement. Both sides in court today. The homeowner's attorney asking the judge to order a solution. Nick
Neville live outside the courthouse. So Nick, what happened inside the courtroom today?
Greg Hanna, so after a lengthy delay, the motion for a temporary remedy here was withdrawn in favor of an expedited trial. That trial date has been set for May, but in the meantime, both sides are going to get together, try to work out an agreement that could resolve these flooding issues for this woman and her neighbors.
So I am sitting here eating my dinner, and this is what just rolled in.
Jonna Wilkes lives right beside the now paused Richland One Early Learning Center construction project. She says her home of more than 25 years and her health are being destroyed by consistent flooding from that project.
This all could have been avoided if they had done things the right way.
She's suing the school district and her lawyer are asking a judge to mandate some sort of fix.
For 25 years, there's never been a problem, including during the 2015 flood that was obviously catastrophic in parts of Richland County.
Wilkes' attorney presented a possible solution, increasing the size of stormwater retention ponds created during construction and adding a concrete structure to return runoff flow to the way it was before the work began.
I don't really care what the solution is. What you're hearing from the Richland County School District is, we don't have one for you, Judge, and you can't order this one. That is a bad neighbor.
But Richland One's attorney argued that the fix wouldn't be that simple.
To the extent this is going to be completely redesigned, and they haven't provided specific design plans, there's not been an engineer that's fully drafted this out. I mean, there's certainly been recommendations, but any type of work of that nature is going to require re-permitting. I mean, even if this court orders and says, go fix this, we don't have sole control over that.
In the end, the judge gave both sides more time to work it out.
I like the idea of a tightened timeline for trial.
And Wilkes is not the only one whose property is at stake here. A military family who lives nearby has also sued the school district, fearing that property values could diminish as a result of all of this. Reporting in Columbia, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
Nick, thank you. Wilkes' attorney tells WIS after the hearing that his team will be preparing for trial, but he hopes that something can be worked out sooner for the sake of Wilkes and the rest of the people in that neighborhood.